Hey guys, it's Kim here with Verily Fiber Fun. Thanks for joining me on this cotton journey. This is pima cotton that I grew in 2017, and I'm going to start spinning it from the seed. Here's the little seeds that I have poofed out with my fingers, and here's some cotton that doesn't have any seeds in it at all. It's considered cloud, and this is what the seeds look like. So let's get started, shall we? To begin with, I am spinning directly from the seed and fluffing out the individual puffs of fiber that are attached to each seed. And in a little bit, I'm going to show you how to spin from the seed with the seed already removed from this little fluff. I find that I prefer spinning with the seed in the cotton, but a little bit more fluff stays on the seed. When I take the seed out first, I get a cleaner seed, but it's all practice and whatever you get most comfortable with. The most brainless way to spin this, I have not shown you, but it is to card little ponies or spin from the cloud, which I will show you in another video. So I'm just going to let you guys sit back and enjoy the show, and I hope you guys learned something from it, and I will be back. I'm going to show you some pictures at the end of 2018's beginning growing session, so stay tuned. Thanks so much for watching. Please head over to the Ravelry group, to the Everything Plant Fiber thread. This is to include gardening for natural dyeing, growing cotton and processing it, or just spinning it, dyeing it. Any type of plant fibers, if it has anything to do with spinning, it goes in that group. So come on over and share your journey with us. Also, please check us out on Patreon at patreon.com/fairlyfiberfun to see how you can win all kinds of goodies and be the first to view behind the scenes footage and new upcoming videos. Now here I'm showing you a cotton seed that has sprouted so you can see what it looks like. Because I promised I'd show you the 2018 growing. We just planted these in the ground, my kids and I, and the first seedlings showing here. This is really, really exciting. And about a month later, this is what they look like, and a close-up of the very first true leaf.